Lost your 2014-2017 GMC Terrain flip key or need to add a spare? You can often do it yourself with the right tools. Key programming for these models involves synchronizing the key's transponder chip with your vehicle's computer. Newer OBD2 tools have made DIY key programming more accessible. These tools connect to your car's computer, allowing you to program new keys. While dealerships were once the only option, DIY is now booming because of cost savings and easy access to instructions through online videos and automotive forums. First, you'll need a blank-compatible flip key fob. Then use an OBD2 programmer like Autel MaxiIM IM608 or Launch X431V Plus to connect to your Terrain's OBD2 port. Follow the tool's on-screen prompts to add or program a key. Remember to test the key thoroughly after programming, checking both remote functions and ignition start. While DIY can save money, be aware that incorrect programming can trigger anti-theft systems, potentially requiring professional help. While success rates for DIY all keys lost programming are around 70 to 80% with proper tools, dealers still dominate for warranty-covered cases.